Cleaned up better than I thought. Wow, look at that. Wasn't as rusty as I thought. Later, we're going to wash these off, spray them with Simple Green, and blast them with the hose. Might see if I could fix that, but it's not that broken yet. All the slats are accounted for, but there's a broken one. So yeah, here's the rust. Should work on that a little bit more. See if I could get it any better than that. Gonna have to narrate this part because the stupid ass camera didn't record the audio. Anyway, we're at the home stretch here. There's a crack right here, but I'm not gonna mess with it. Camera won't even focus on it. The front piece has a crack in it here. There's a mystery. When I took these things off between these two metal parts, there were these little things. I don't know what they're for. If you do know what they're for, let me know. And we're done. Let's start on low. Pretty good for my first vintage box. Mid 70s, early 80s, I think. Here's low. Feels good. Medium. Nice breeze. And high. Too bad I lost the zoom spout to the zoom spout oiler, or I'd oil the front bearing. Oh well.